Madison counties, Richmond, Vernon, Madison, Juneau, Marquette, Washington, Winnebago, Calumet, Manitowoc, Sauk, Columbia, Green Lake, Fond du Lac, Sheboygan, Dodge, Washington, Milwaukee, Iowa, Dane, Jefferson, Waukesha, Milwaukee, Lafayette, Greene, Rock, Warren, Racine, and Kenosha, and the following Illinois counties.